Welcome to Read It Again. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy this book, How to Babysit a Grandma, written by Jean Reagan and illustrated by Lee Wildish. When you babysit a grandma, if you're lucky, you'll have a sleepover at her house. When you get to her door, wear a disguise and say, "Guess who?" Use a secret knock, only she knows. Tap, tap, tappity tap. If you like cats, meow. If you like dogs, bark. When she opens the door, shout, "Grandma, your babysitter is here." Hug your mom and dad goodbye. Then tell your grandma all the fun things you have planned. How to keep grandma busy. Go to the park. Bake cookies. Have a costume parade. Go to the park. Do yoga. Look at family pictures. Go to the park. Play hide and seek. Wear goofy hats. Go to the park. Read lots of books. Do puzzles. Let your grandma choose what she wants to do. Of course, she'll want to go to the park. What to do at the park? Slide down the bumpy slide. If she's feeling brave, try the big slide. Push your grandma on the swing, but not too high. Feed the ducks. Make sure the shy ones get some food. Back at home, plan some more fun. How to play with a grandma. Sing and dance together. Play shoe shop. If your grandma likes fancy things, play dress up. Say ta-da when you hand her a mirror. When it's time for dinner, show your grandma how to make everything taste even yummier. Add sprinkles to anything. Well, almost anything. Arrange the food to make silly faces. Say, mmm, with each bite. Sniff, sniff. When it gets dark, help your grandma find the first star. Back inside, snuggle up and read some books. Ask your grandma for stories about when your mom was little. What was Mom's favorite thing to do at the park? Did she ever get in trouble? Was her grandma as fun as you? Show her how to say "I love you" without making a sound. Point to your eye, to your heart, and to her. When it's bedtime, ask your grandma, "Where do you want to sleep?" Places to sleep. In a tent. On the floor. On the couch, in the little bed, in the big bed. Once you're both tucked in, make shadow puppets. Have your shadow foxes kiss goodnight. If she's missing your mom and dad, tell her. They'll be here tomorrow, bright and early. In the morning, when you hear a knock, open the door dressed up as twins. Now comes the hardest part, goodbye time. How to say goodbye to a grandma. Let her borrow some sprinkles, books, stickers, ribbons. Say "I love you" without making a sound. Give her a big hug and ask, "When can I babysit you again?" Thank you so much for listening and following along. If you like this book, please give it a thumbs up and come back soon to read it again.